Hey, you toys! Hey, toys!
And we're back! Whoa! We've got more minions! This time,
Open it!
yes, we're going to open it. Okay, well, no preamble. We're just gonna open it! Oh my goodness, I think this was a collector's tin. I don't think we were supposed to open it that way. Oh, jeez. Alright, well, keep going. Previously on Hey You Toys, we looked at these McDonald's guys that we got from a thrift store. It was fun. You should watch the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit the bell thing, which apparently is a thing I didn't know about, even though everybody leaves comments about it all the time. Funny. All right, check it out. We've got it open. We've got it partially open. The tin is partially open. I think we might need some help with this. Can I help? Yep. I must say, I am impressed. Your ability to destroy things is impressive. Oh, we got it! That's impressive! You, sir, need some scissors, I think. Unprepared father! Work on that one. Try to get him out. I'll get some scissors. While you're opening this, I'm back with scissors. Oh, we didn't even say what these are. These are Despicable Me Mineez. Yes, Minis. Found these at Target. They're very cool. Oh, for ages 5+, we're 3.5. Well, there goes the rules. Remember, who uses scissors?
Grown-ups.
Grown-ups, unless they're safety scissors. There we go. Opening it up.
You guys?
Wow. I think you're more interested in this, am I right?
Yep.
Let's see. Oh my goodness, he opened it up and there's bags! The thing that every child loves. Blind bags that are more expensive than just buying the real things.
Open it.
Okay, well, open it up. Got it?
Help me.
Help you? Help you? Why should I help you? Oh, yes, we're doing a video. Yes. Okay. Well, I gotta scissor it. Boom! Need to get you some safety scissors, kid. What could it be? What could it be? It's a cute little doggy.
And a squishy.
It's a squishy doggy? It's a Mineez doggy. Hey, what sound does dog make? I love it, it's so cute. I knew you knew how to do that, I just thought it was cute. Okay, I think I know what this one might be. Mostly because it says on the tin. What do we got? It's a robot!
Listen, baby.
Bad robot.
Bad robot. Bad robot.
Actually,
bad
that's Clive.
Clive.
Hi, Clive. It's nice to meet you. Oh no, Clive! You were a bad guy. Don't squish the doggy. All right, should we open this other guy?
Yep.
All right. Looks like you did a pretty good job opening it here. Let me just get this fast. So apparently these cool collectible tins, you can get a bunch of minis. Yes, like these. These cool collectible tins, you can get a bunch of minis, and you can hold them in them. I love it. It's a great idea. Should we open my air? Where's the scissors? I got the scissors. Okay, here we go.
Hope you get him.
You think so? I don't know. We'll find out. All right, I got that. He's done it. Plastic has been partially removed. More plastic removed. It's open. I see. It's open.
More plastic flags.
More bags. Okay, we should just throw those out, right?
No.
Wait, what are we gonna do with them? What? Open it? All right, come here, kid. Let's do this. 1, 2.
Wait.
Who could it be? Who could it be? Could it be Clive?
Clive.
It's 2 Clives.
Clive.
Hey, if I have 1 Clive and I add 1 Clive, so I have 1 + 1, how many do I have? 2! I love it! Math, you are our friend.
Five.
Until the robots take over. All right, we got another bag. Hold it back. Watch your fingers. And cut. Oh, that was a bad cut. Cut. Done. What have we got? 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 We got 2 of these, and what is it? What's the other thing? Wait, oh wait, it's just another dog? We literally got doubles. We got 2 dogs and 2 robots. Wow, there you go. Fun times. Hello!
Mommy, look.
Wow!
Look, 2 robots.
Like a million minions!
So awesome! That's right, Mommy just entered the room. So we're distracted. That's okay. Oh, look, we have a Series 1 Collector's Guide. You know what this is? This is a checklist. This is not nearly as cool as this. Wait a second. Oh, it is a deluxe action figure, and it's got freewheeling action. Oh, we're back to the checklist.
We got 2 hymns.
Yes.
We got 2 hymns.
Yes.
And, no exact robots on here.
No.
No.
All right. Should we open this guy? What is that?
Honey Rip is it.
Ah, that's funny. All right, let's see what we got here. Opening it. Opening it. Open. He opened it. Wow. Need some help?
Yep.
All right. Oh. Look. They're trapped in a glass cage of emotion. Superman reference. Ah. It's times like these, I'm so happy that we edit these. Fingers. Boom.
Some art.
He's got some arms. Oh, he's got a head. What a cute little awful evil head. We're assembling. We are assembling. Whoa. It's a leg. The leg is going in. Oh, yep, turn it that way. Excellent. There goes cat. Boom. Wow. Ah, man, that's kind of man. Oh, I see. He's got different arms. He's got these arms, and each one does a little bit different thing.
Mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
Go away, I just need a coffee break.
Ah, these are so cool. Do you like these?
Yeah.
Was this a good purchase?
Yeah.
I thought so too. What should we say to the people at home?
Thank you.
Thank you! Remember to like, subscribe.
Yes.
Yes. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment in the section below. Why do I always have a problem remembering those things? So crazy. Yes, they're still in a plastic cage of emotion.
Gato.
Bye. Yes, goodbye, kitty. All right. Ah, yes, it's remember to spay and neuter animals.